When I talk about maturity, being patient, all right, I'm talking about finding your own voice. And you got to learn to shut the noise. I mean to shut out other people's opinion. And I used to have people all the time criticizing, critiquing me, telling me, yo, you can't do it this way. Right, you right. You will never be successful doing it like that. And you will never be successful, but you can't tell me how to do what I do. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with taking criticism, but what I am saying to you is this: you have to find your own voice.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. What's up? Just not too long, get fresh. You know, it's a new day, it's a Saturday, and right now I'm about to make 2 iced coffees. I wonder if Mommy want. Mommy, you want iced coffee? Guys, my new fridge next go. I can't reach it. Okay, so I proceed to making my iced coffees. I'm making 3 iced coffees today. One of you can guess who the third person is. No, I'm still not come back yet. Let's go ahead and show you. Look who we have here. This girl is burning bird dying over here. Stay tuned to her channel. Yeah, guys. Look what I'm watching. She didn't say watching vlog. But yeah, she burning them calories. Girl going to 1 hour cardio. Yeah, she can.
My bum is numb.
Oh,
my knees, I have no feeling down here. Lord.
Oh my guys, this is after legs day. So yeah guys, we've been on a little journey. She just wanted to take it easy, but it really isn't. She thought coming here would be easier than the gym.
I thought it would have been like slowly, gradually, you know, but she was a beast.
No, this is 1 month. We have 1 month to get in shape.
But we're on track, eh?
Yes, we are. It's the first week down.
Yeah, it feels like forever. But
Alright.
it's only been 1 week.
Alright, so should I finish up? She did already come with 4 pictures after June finished, because we started like the day before June. So everything. Mommy, pass that copy for me, please. But just I didn't carry. One right, this color one. And you can put back this one because I like the color. Yeah, so we staying on track, eating good, all that stuff, you know. Okay, so I'm done with making that. So oh no, I'm going to have something to eat. Mom made me this wrap. It's wheat wrap, by the way, and it has, like, you know, jerk, what is it, jerk ham and egg and plantain in there. So I'm gonna grab on this. I put my iced coffee in the freezer just to chill further once I'm done with this, because I can't eat and drink at the same time. It's just gonna, my appetite is gonna go so quickly. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm done with Mitty. She came here and kept her company for a long time today. This video is currently live on my main channel. Go ahead and check it out, guys. It's on PETITE-SUE DIVINITII.
So good, such a slave.
Love it. It was a whole different vibe. I did a flip over, but I just get around center part a while ago. So yeah, she's leaving us. Let's go.
Bye, Divinity.
Bye.
Bye, Barbara.
This woman very much. Nice.
Tonight. Oh no, broke curfew and so.
Bye bye bye.
Guys, I'm so tired, honestly, and I feel like that's because I got up so early. Well, I didn't get up early this morning. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I went to bed super late. You know, classic Friday night, you find something for watch, you lose track of time, you know, all that stuff, you know. So yeah, I went to bed late, so I just wanted to sleep, but I had to get up. And then yeah, for the most part of the day though, I was productive because I got a video out the way. Really wanted to do 2, but tomorrow I'm going to attempt to do 2. But yeah, I'm just checking in. I'm running on the road real quick. I'm gonna jump into editing when I come back home. Oh, I just had something to eat. So the first thing I had this morning to eat was that like little thing that I show you guys mom made for me. So I had that for breakfast, and then the iced coffee. And then I just because I got busy after that, I never eat anything else. So I just got had lunch, which is a lot of hours later. It's like after 4, and had a go light from Island Grill. I had that yesterday as well. So I'm pretty full right now, but just in case I get hungry on the road, like the traffic out there, I have one of these to snack on. Yeah, just bring it in case. I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner, but yeah, didn't tell you before, but hashtag 100K in the comment just so we can keep that vibe coming. I'm grateful. I see you guys subscribing. I see it. I appreciate all the support. I'm highly appreciative. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Yes, thank you guys. It's Monday 7. I'm into here with me. You understand in the previous clip? Yeah. I'm to go and mean wait, that way you stop for it. You know some I'm vlogging now. That's 7. Come. She did some cardio already. Split it in 2 parts, so she have like 20 more minutes of it to do. 10. We have 10 more. I don't know where I said 20. But yes, we have 10 more. Come. Let's go. Guys, sorry about the noise in the background. When I understand why I need to break this thing up like it's 2 sets. When it's 4 sets, I want to go on right here, so I have. Yes. Go down in there. Yep. 3. Look lower. West 4. 5. Yes, 5. Come, no pause it. Ready. 6. Breathe. 6. Come. We have 4 more. Bear this man for deal with it now. Second week. We can't be living like this. And your second week. Come. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. 4 more. 4 more. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. No more. You pick it up back. I will just do this for that first set here. Come, pick it up back. Pick it up back. Why do 10 pulse down low? Why go as low as I can and 10 pulse. Come, take it up right now. Right now. We can't delay. We keep the burn going. Come. Yes. Throw them up. Throw them up. Let's go. Squat into it. Squat. Squat. May I wait? Ready? Watch ya now. Watch ya. Come. Mitty, no. No, Mitty. Mitty, no. Me now wait for nothing. Come. Different lifestyle we're talking about. Come, ready. Go on now. Yes. Pulse it. Come up a little bit. Come up a little bit. Why are you so low? What's this position? Mitty. I'm dead. Come, yes.
Can we try without the rest?
No. Who the hell? Come, ready. 10 pulses. Throw them up and go. No, Mitty, the regular pulse. I don't understand. We can't move on till I do it. It just can't work. It not gonna work out. It just not gonna work out. We can't move on at all.
Send help in the comments. Let's go.
4, 5. What is it? Come, pick it up. So I say I couldn't break. I 10 more before make you do it now.
No.
Where do you eat? Because this wasn't the plan for your break. Make up your mind. Feel the burn. to 10 without the weight.
I think squat.
Yeah, the pulses.
Pulse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not even without. Come on. 3 more because you keep on cheating it. 1, 2, 3. We got so much work to do. So much work. Going to get into some jumping squats.
It's Friday.
1 month in a people. Today is what? June the 7th.
1 week.
Just gone 1 week. I'm gonna see Mitia eat crab in our vlog and can, guys. Crab and can. She think me never go see. I don't understand why she think me never go see. Like, what the hell?
What do you like with second? Bad.
She knows how it take long for digest.
Did you hear that, boss?
It's beautiful to see the sweat dripping off you like that. Come, let's go. Land softly on your legs. Yes, perfect. Yes. 3, 4, 20 of this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Guys, it's the next day. And it's actually today that this vlog should have been up, which is Tuesday. It's morning time when I hear the caca crow. Yeah. Yeah, but yesterday I'm tired. I just never have no energy left. I didn't vlog. I had other stuff doing. Yeah, and right now my day I'm supposed to sleep. I woke up early this morning. I got up early. Because right now I'm gonna film 2 videos today. PETITE-SUE come. So today I'm not going to the gym. I'm going to the gym tomorrow either because it's off day. But yeah, if you guys gonna see who I'm gonna be doing one of my videos with. Well, tomorrow now see this. It no matter. I can't look out for the video on my main channel. Yeah, it's a makeover, hair and makeup. So I know some of you guys gonna be excited for this because I never asked me fear. And I know me saying this now. Yeah, I'm not gonna say her now in the next clip. She's supposed to reach it up on her way I come, but I was so tired. So tired. I feel like it's because I kinda try change up, trick my body, and I try train it in waking up like an earlier time. So like I know I look a mess right now. I know. But I feel like I that. But not just that. I do load of the work too. Like I make sure I go gym and reach this. So. Alright, so just continue straight. Continue straight. Don't come around on the bend. Don't take no turn off. Guys, look who I have here. Remember me that today?
Yeah, shit, guys. Just time.
Yes, guys. So check out the full video on my main channel, PETITE-SUE DIVINITII. Yes, lyric crutches.
I know it on here. Yeah.
This looks so good.
It does.
Oh my god, I'm gonna take 2 pictures now, guys.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind.
second video of the day. Talk about work. This is exactly why I was so tired yesterday, even though I didn't film 2 videos. I didn't film any video yesterday, but I was just tired because this is how I go about my daily activities. I just jump from one to the next, Yes, I think it's through, you know, but you know, sometimes you just need to rest. You really just need to rest. So yeah, no edges today, just pull back vibes. Show me in the back. Guys, I'm gonna go fly my drone today again. Because remember last vlogging, it was just really determination that I wasn't gonna come home without getting an actual footage. And now that, number one, when I went out, why is it so bright? When I went out by airport, that is a prohibited location. A prohibited location. Sorry for the noise, guys, it's the AC. It just rained, but it's still hot. Yeah, so the drone is like, it pick up this thing where it just not appear. It won't appear at all. So it could fly this and then we did go to the park, and then we could fly it in the park because they say it's not allowed there either. So I just have to go each up on the inside. So that's it. I'm just taking a breather right now, and after that I'll just come home back and edit. Shami not able to come anymore because she have a presentation and she's scared that while we're on the road, time might catch up on her and she'll not be able to make it in time for a good Wi-Fi connection so she can do her presentation. So I think it's best, you know, I agree. So she's gonna just, you know, chill and just stay home, and yeah. Oh, and I have a haul to do for you guys. I got a haul to do for you guys. So when I come back, I'm gonna do that on a package day. But I've had this package now for like a month and a half. I'm not even remember what day in the package. So you guys go get that haul in this vlog. Of course, it's going to be a rating. It's going to be a rating haul. So yeah, I kind of need something else to eat right now because I'm hungry. Alright guys, so we're out on the road now, and it's just a regular hour. A Tuesday? Yeah. By the time I quit the week done.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me.
You know, I get a pizza. Mama, them I get pizza. Show me. My mom will eat some. I don't know my will eat. Might buy a salad, but I don't know yet.
You woke up from a while, haven't seen a smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Mr. Girl, police run with down, chase we up. I say, oh God, I may fly my drone. Yeah, no, from downtown.
What? No, come, where the pizza?
Yeah, man, tell you say, I that one. Mommy,
Yeah?
come give me a pizza. Oh, I'm gonna be.
So, what, how, why? Can you fly the drone?
Yeah.
So, what did I do?
I I was in a prohibited area, but like I found my little spot and it take off. So I said, alright, I'm gonna try go further. Usually it will take off. So I said, I'm just gonna sit in the area, but I'm kind of get carried away. I'm kind of really far. And like,
You never shut it down.
I said, girl, or when I try bringing back the drone, or if I bring it back. Oh man, mommy. There's that speed walk coming out. We never want to attract attention to myself. And like the police was literally down on me, like driving the right this one. I'm like, girl, I literally turned into a taxi man. Which area you drive for them? I drive go from Tony. Girl, my heart was just flattering. Yeah, but no go so.
I mean, so that's unrealistic.
But the girl, my trouble best of Vanessa.
Oh
my god! The police chased me down.
You're full of lie like sure.
You literally started to believe it. You did.
Me hearing about me, I say.
Guys, you know the air reaction, no?
Alright.
On the air shot, me put on the camera, why would they look at them there? And I said, God, please. When she asked the pizza, I said, why the pizza is not in the kitchen as yet? Jeez, she got seat now. I did prepare for she seat and she just said, so on, stop the lie. But she didn't. She didn't. Mommy, she did start believe it. She really believed. Poor me. Guys, everything was smooth. How is it? Yeah, why? Guys, so yeah, quick jump. So I'm gonna do my little all. Yay! Alright, so first time I do one Prettylittlething all. So I'm excited for it. Honestly, I don't even remember the stuff as better than the previous clip that are in this package, but I'm so excited. I'm so excited to go ahead and try them on. So let's go ahead and I think this was more like a summer vibe kind of haul too. So I'm gonna jump in at the first fit. Are you ready? Alright.
Who tell them to give me pizza back? Pizza what? What are these across there? What are you?
The first outfit. So mocha split end trousers. So you know them one here where I wear it look nice with the heels. Yeah. It's stretch up here so that's really nice. It's not too restricted. And this is a one strap
blouse
crop top.
I like the blouse as a 10. I give this about a 8. Reason being a summertime, it's more of a Christmas time.
Yeah, true. I don't know.
Yes.
I just wanted one of these to be honest. I don't feel like this is summer appropriate pants.
So I give it a 8. I love the color, I like the style, but because another season for this, so a 8. 10.
What do you say?
7 for the clothing.
7 for the This is where like I feel like this give me summer.
But, eh?
The top give me summer. Yeah, the color combination is tie-dye vibe. So that's how I got it. And as I said, I just really
you just love the pants.
I really wanted you know you wear these with some cute heels and something. Yeah.
Note that you have to be somewhere cool.
Somewhere cool, like in an AC then. AC. So yeah, that's the first fit. I kind of threw the two of them together. Them never really come together, and me put them together. Yeah. All right. So this is a rouge, chocolate brown bodycon dress. So it kind of can drop in at the front here, so.
You like it? 12 out of 10.
I like it, but the breast part.
Yeah, the breast part. I don't know what's with the fitting there. It doesn't fit very flattering on the bust.
Come here.
It tight on it. So I feel like there's a lot of room here. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong, but you can basically get it shorter. I think that's why. Yeah, that's how you can basically pull it up like that. And this is the back. And the material cool. It's like that nice
Yeah,
cotton.
it's that cool look there.
Yeah, the cool.
Earth vibes. But then you tell me about the breast and I looked at it for real. I was thinking it could alter
Yeah, the
like,
breast part.
it
Really.
gives you a flat
chest. I don't know what's with the fit. Yeah.
It's just a very sexy look dress. So that's why I made one D at 12. So I'm going to lose back 2 points and go just 10, flat 10.
9?
10. But you want to get the 12 but the breast, make it look. That's true.
Yeah, I like the sleeves, you know, it nice.
The material look comfortable.
Yeah, material nice and comfortable. But
cool too.
10 and 9. I give it an 8 because I honestly wanted it to fit better right here. So let me move on. They make these things weird, guys. So this one have to go to Shabby, cause
she's busting out.
Not my back too broad for this.
And look at her poor dear squeezing for dear life.
Shabby, I forgot to take that one. And you know, the thing is, I remember somebody did order that one here in night, but because I saw that this slowly became a uniform, it got so common, so I didn't really want it. So yeah, you want to try it on? Let's see how it looks on you.
No, it's skirt. It was that market skirt.
So you don't want it?
On the top.
But someone make it with a skirt.
Wear it.
Skirt can wear with something else, yeah? Yeah, skirt can wear with something else. But yeah, guys, this is a no for me. I do not laugh for me. Oh, no, do good. But yeah, the styling itself, I really like. No, but like the style within itself, so it's a cute like outfit. Very much vacation vibe. Give me tropical.
Like brunch, like
yeah. But the top is a no. So so next outfit. So see there, guys, I have another corset. This looks so good. Same kind of sizing, but I just don't know. I guess the style of that one to fit, right? It's so nice. It gives me Princess Jasmine vibe. You like it? The shorts is not in it, guys. It's just the top.
It's a 10 for me.
What do you see, mommy?
Turn around. I like the style. It has the same effect from the brown dress.
Yeah, similar. 10?
This one gives me a heavy Bridgerton vibe.
Bridgerton, right? So yeah, this is really cute. Wear this out to dinner, you know, on a date, you know, to an event. It's cute. It's cute, and I love the cut. I love the cut in the front here. So yeah, this one is nice. I give this a 10. But I don't want to give 10 though. Yeah, guys, it's a mini haul today. There was actually one more piece that I had, but that one did not fit. I don't know, sizing over there was a little bit different than I expected, so I guess some of the sizes in them just don't work out for me. So that one is actually smaller, so Shami's gonna try it out. It tight for you too? Wow. Oh, I saw that one your feet off the shoulder. Yeah, it's tight, but it fits you way better. At least this go up on her. It fit you nice. It's cute. I think you should wear it. Still wear it. If I want to wear outfit. It's nice though. It really fits in. You say come up on her foot. You can't stretch your shoulder your feet. Yeah, but it looks good. It looks good. Let's see the top. Guys, this one gives me hell if you go. Oh my god. Like, what's up with the sizing? Because the bottom is it fit me perfect. So this weird. The sizing is weird for this. Them not sell them together, you know. And that's the thing. Okay. It's
Man, I don't feel like nip slip can't anymore.
Right? Yeah, fist pump. Everything just jump out and then you say that like we're straight now.
Yeah, this one feels secure.
It's such a cute style though. I think you put this up. Oh yeah, you feel like fold.
Yeah.
You see the fold up, don't you?
Yeah. Ow.
Take your back feet.
This is what digging on my bucket one.
Wow, yeah. This one is not really skinny.
Very petite.
Yeah. If it can't fit me and it can't fit Shabby, Shabby is so slim. This is a no-go. It's not gonna work.
Boy.
So basically that's it for today's vlog. I know not a lot happened in this vlog, but I still try my best to give you a nice length. It's not the longest, but it's fine. You guys going to see me on Saturday again, and a lot really never happened this week, so that's why you get the vlog a day late. But I don't know the vibes already want to see things like that happen. I thank you guys so much for the support nonetheless. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, okay? Follow all the rules in the description box so that you can have a chance to win in my giveaway. I'm gonna have like at least four winners. Yes, 4 winners. Hashtag road to 100k in the comments if you with it, you know. Want to stay tuned. Oh, don't forget to check out my main channel. The videos are live over there, recent makeovers, all that good stuff, all the wig information. This wig is coming up. I literally went ahead and applied this today after I did lyrics makeover. So yeah, that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video, my next vlog. So yeah, until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
My friends in the back of my roller, we gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.